Are you looking for a ceiling fan with lights? In this video, I will show you the 5 best ceiling fans with lights based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Warm Planet Ceiling Fan with Lights. These ceiling fans indoor with light come with 2 down rods, 5 inches and 8 inches. LED ceiling fan match with 24-watt LED light which has a longer service life. Pressing the on/off button on the remote control continuously can change the color temperature from cool white to warm white to natural light, for 1000K. The ceiling fan with remote has double-faced white/silver blades and stylish nickel-plated motor housing. Slipping the button on the motor can make downdrafts in summer and make updrafts in winter. The noise of the fan is less than 50 dB. The fan also has a timing function. The 4th product on the list is the Honeywell Carnegie Ceiling Fan with Light. The Honeywell Carnegie is a captivating 52-inch ceiling fan that offers an industrial farmhouse appeal with a rugged, modern flair. This chic ceiling fan is uniquely crafted with a striking copper steel mesh drum and beautifully illuminated with 3 exposed vintage-style Edison LED dimmable light bulbs. From the shape of the blade iron flowing down to the shape and style of the fan blades, the Carnegie creates a very sleek, geometric appeal, making it a subtle, yet eye-catching focal point. The Carnegie dual finish matte black/copper body is perfectly accented by 5 reversible blades, easily adjustable, and quick to change whenever you want to freshen up the existing look or just try something new. The 3rd product on the list is the Prominence Home Alina Ceiling Fan with Light. Get the look you've always wanted with a state-of-the-art, Prominence Home Ceiling Fan. Ceiling fans are designed with our customers in mind. Each fan provides high quality with quiet performance. We have the right style for any room. Why ceiling fans save energy both in the summer and winter months and offer aesthetic enhancement to any room decor. Remote ceiling fans offer the ultimate in comfort. All Prominence home fans are backed by a limited lifetime. Whatever your needs, there are many fine options from Prominence Home. The 2nd product on the list is the Fanimation Vintage Ceiling Fan with LED Light Kit. Make a statement with the vintage ceiling fan from the Fanimation Studio Collection. The cage design and 4 Edison-style LED bulbs of this beautiful fan are sure to catch the eye. This 13-inch blade sweep fan is damp-rated, making it a perfect fit for any indoor or covered outdoor space. It also includes a handheld remote control allowing use from anywhere in the room. Blades and 4.5 inches down rod also included. The 1st product on the list is the Hunter Key Biscayne Ceiling Fan with LED Light. The Key Biscayne Industrial Farmhouse Nautical Ceiling Fan with the mass appeal will fit flawlessly in your home's modern interior design. The beautiful, clean finish options work together with the high contrast of angles throughout the design to create a look that will keep your space looking current and inspired. The LED light ceiling fan has fully dimmable, high-efficient LED bulbs that give you total control over your lighting. The Key Biscayne fan features a 13-degree blade pitch optimized to ensure ideal air movement and peak performance. This reversible fan comes with reverse rotation fan blades that keep the rooms in your home feeling cool during summers and warm during winters. 6. Ideal for use in rooms or spaces with ceilings 9 foot or greater. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.